Rubber gaskets generally outperform wax rings for sealing toilets in mobile or older homes where movement and settling break seals. Rubber gaskets are made to remain flexible and compress under load, so they maintain a continuous seal even when the subfloor shifts or the toilet rocks. Install by centering the gasket over the flange. Press the toilet straight down while keeping the base level, and tighten bolts alternately and gradually to avoid uneven compression. Choose a gasket rated for the flange height and pipe alignment. Many are adjustable or include a thick base to span gaps, and some designs include a bellows section to tolerate vertical movement. Clean and dry the flange and the toilet outlet before seating the gasket to ensure it compresses evenly and does not twist out of position. If the flange is corroded or recessed, use a flange extender or a reinforced gasket flange to restore proper bearing surface rather than relying on extra compression from the gasket alone. For very uneven floors, first shim and secure the toilet to minimize rocking. Then use the rubber gasket so the seal handles residual movement rather than compensating for gross misalignment. Common mistakes are over-reliance on a gasket to correct a bad flange or uneven floor. A gasket can flex but not cure severe misalignment, so repairing or shimming the flange is necessary. Another issue is over-tightening the bolts, which compresses one side more than the other and distorts the gasket. Tighten bolts evenly and stop as soon as the toilet cannot move. People sometimes reuse an old gasket. Always replace with a new gasket because compression set and contamination undermine sealing performance over time. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like sealing toilets in moving structures, and we help users find local contractors willing to work on mobile and older home issues. We also host a discussion community where we share real experiences, installation tips, and contractor recommendations so we can learn from each other and find the right help.